Seniors over 60, if you want stronger legs, better balance and easier walking, then do these 3 simple daily leg exercises with me today, day 34 of our 60-day series. Exercise 1. Sit to stand, 50 repetitions. All right, seniors, before we begin, please grab a sturdy chair and place it on a flat, non-slippery surface. Make sure the chair is not moving. Position your feet shoulder width apart, sit comfortably, and keep your back straight. Today is day 34, and we are going to start strong together. If you are new here, welcome to our 60-day senior fitness series. Join us every day for simple and safe leg exercises. Now let me explain the movement step by step. When you stand up, lean slightly forward, press your feet into the floor, tighten your legs, and rise slowly. When you sit down, lower yourself gently, using control rather than letting gravity pull you down. Keep breathing naturally and keep your chest lifted. I am right here with you like your personal trainer, guiding you through every movement. Let us begin our 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your posture tall. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job so far. Tell me in the comments how you are feeling right now. Let us continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are doing excellent. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember to breathe. From which country are you watching today? Let us push forward. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Stay steady. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I am proud of you. Keep going. Almost there. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Strong legs. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Last stretch. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay with me. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful work. You should feel your legs waking up and getting stronger. Let me know in the comments how your body feels after completing this set. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions. 50 repetitions. Let us move into exercise 2, which is our seated leg extensions. Please sit tall on your chair with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. Make sure your chair is sturdy and stable. This exercise strengthens your quadriceps, improves knee mobility, and makes walking, climbing stairs, and standing much easier for seniors over 60. Keep your core lightly engaged and your hands resting gently on the sides of the chair. Here is how to do the movement safely. Lift one leg forward slowly until it becomes straight. Hold it for a moment, and then lower it back down with control. Do not swing your leg or rush the motion. Keep your toes pointed upward and keep breathing. We will alternate legs as we count. I am right here with you, guiding you like your daily trainer. Let us begin our 50 repetitions together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice and steady. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going and tell me in the comments how you are feeling right now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great work. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember to sit tall. From which country are you joining us today? Let us continue. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are doing amazing. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stay with me. Almost there. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, slow and controlled. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Final push. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent job. If you are keeping up daily, I am proud of your consistency. Do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can join you on this journey. Seniors, remember, exercise is important, but it's only half the solution. To truly improve your health, energy, and body, you need the right internal support. Nagano Tonic helps boost metabolism, melt stubborn fat, increase energy, and make you feel younger from within. Many seniors see faster, stronger results when they combine this tonic with their daily exercises. Without it, progress can be slow. Find the link in the description or pinned comment and start your transformation today. Exercise 3, seated marching, 50 repetitions. Now we are moving into exercise 3, our seated marching, which is excellent for improving hip flexibility, leg strength, and overall circulation. Please sit tall on your chair with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Keep your feet flat on the floor, your hands resting lightly on the sides of the chair and your core gently engaged. Maintaining good posture will help protect your lower back and ensure that the movement feels smooth and safe. Here is how to perform the movement correctly. Lift one knee upward as if you are marching, then lower it down slowly and repeat with the other leg. Do not lean backward, do not lean too far forward, and keep your breathing steady. Lift your knees only as high as feels comfortable. This exercise should wake up your legs, not strain them. I am right here with you, guiding you step by step. Let us begin our 50 marching repetitions together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep marching. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are doing wonderful. Tell me how you are feeling right now. Let us continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice controlled lifts. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep breathing. Moving on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stay with me. Last stretch. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Almost done. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Final push. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful work, seniors. You have completed day 34 of our 60-day series. How are you feeling today? Please comment completed day 34 below and tell me which repetition felt the hardest for you. Also, share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can exercise with you and support your journey. I will see you tomorrow for day 35. Stay active and stay strong.